G'day, I'm Dave Adams from Crossfit Toowoomba, and this is our mezzanine floor that Queensland Mezzanine's put up for us. So we've been dealing with, talking with Queensland Mezzanines about this for quite some time. We had a real problem with space on our floor, and we wanted to get a lot of our gear up and off the floor and also be able to put in a new amenities facility with toilet and showers and stuff like that. So we started working with Ryan, putting together a bit of a plan. He was super helpful. We went back to him quite a few times, changed our minds, all that sort of jazz, and he was very helpful, always came back with the right things that we were looking for, and very easy to work with. We chose Queensland Mezzanines. Firstly, my choice was because they did it in 3 days. Who does something in 3 days? And they stuck to their word on that. They were out of here by Friday lunchtime, no dramas at all. But apart from that, their quality and their service was second to none. We did kick tyres on quite a few businesses and that do this sort of thing, and we found Queensland Mezzanines to be the best. We're pretty happy with the semi-finished product. We've still got a couple of tradies to finish off stuff that we want, but the work that Queensland Mezzanines did was A grade, and we couldn't speak any more highly of them.